It is buzzing down here. We're gonna get on our ferry and we're gonna head back to Amalfi. It's supposed to be about a 25-minute boat ride, but it's supposed to be beautiful. So we're expecting to get some good views off the water of this place right here. Now look at that. It is vertical living, man. You got a lot of stairs, a lot of up and down. Quad workout, stair climber, whatever the heck. But with a high carb diet here with the pizza and the pasta, you gotta work this up. Here are all the boats. We're gonna get on our boat right now. There's my honey! There's my honey!
Yeah, 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 yeah. I was just a glimmer back in 69. Yeah, 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 yeah. Thank you.
We're on the boat. We're on our ferry. We're gonna leave in a few minutes. There, goodbye Positano. There's the beach. Beautiful place. Get here.
Do you feel the vibe? Oh mercy. Beneath the Simpson sky, such harmony. And I drive, float along and glide with wonder. Sea and sand collide, surf's melody. And I drive. Life's harmony. And I drive. Ride the gypsy wind, we're so free. Let's get lost, my friend, love's melody. And I drive.
Backing in. This is Amalfi. I hope you enjoyed our ferry ride from Positano to Amalfi.